Resumes and portfolios seem simple only until you realize they decide whether your knowledge is ever seen. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach engineering concepts. We help you present yourself as an engineer the industry wants to hire. Most students think resumes and portfolios for electrical and embedded roles are just formalities, but in reality, they exist to solve a very practical problem: how employers quickly judge whether you can add value. Hiring managers don't have time to decode vague claims or long lists of courses. They look for clear evidence of skills, problem-solving ability, and real-world exposure. To see this intuitively, think about how you evaluate a product. You don't read every specification. You look for proof that it works. A good resume does the same. It highlights relevant skills, measurable impact, and real projects. A strong portfolio goes even further by showing what you've built, how you built it, and why your decisions made sense. At a deeper level, resumes for EE and embedded roles should emphasize fundamentals, tools, and applied projects rather than generic descriptions. Portfolios should demonstrate hands-on experience with circuits, microcontrollers, simulations, or systems, showing progression from concept to implementation. Clarity and relevance matter more than length. On a larger scale, strong resumes and portfolios determine who gets interviews, internships, and early career opportunities. In competitive fields, they separate candidates who understand engineering in practice from those who only studied it in theory. In real engineering practice, maintaining a clear and updated resume and portfolio is an ongoing process. Engineers continuously refine how they present their work as they gain experience and specialize. Your resume opens the door, but your portfolio convinces others you belong inside. Now that you understand what employers actually look for, the next step is to break down how to structure resumes and portfolios for specific EE and embedded roles. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.